In today's video, we're going to talk about onto CJ Dropshipping if it is legit. Whether you're a new dropshipper or switching from platforms like AliExpress, this breakdown will help you decide. First, what is CJ Dropshipping? CJ Dropshipping is a one-stop sourcing and fulfillment platform that connects e-commerce sellers with suppliers, primarily based in China. You can import products directly to your Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce store, fulfill orders globally, and request custom packaging or private leveling, and also work with an assigned agent for sourcing issues. Now, why CJ Dropshipping is legit? Here are the key points proving their credibility. First is the verified platform, dedicated agents, integrated with major stores, real warehouse, and secure payment options. Now, there are common complaints, but they are not red flags. While CJ is legit, it's not perfect. Shipping can be slow for non-US or China warehouse, product prices may be higher than AliExpress, and customer service can vary by agent. These are the common issues into the dropshipping world, but not sign of a scam. Yes, CG Dropshipping is 100% legit. It's a powerful tool for dropshippers looking for faster shipping, private labeling, and better product quality control compared to AliExpress. The overall trust rating is 4.4 over 5. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.